Hi friends, how are you? It's me, Maddie, with the most wonderful time of the month. It is Ipsy. I can't wait. A couple things first. My son is rearranging his bedroom, and that's fine, but it's coming into my room because upstairs. So if we hear any bangs, clangs, or whatever, that's all it is, him moving his shit around. And I want to say I'm sorry. I know I haven't uploaded. I have been so sick with what was possibly the worst flare I've ever had of my Ehlers-Danlos. I may do another video about that because this one is for fun, but that's where I've been, and I'm just genuinely sorry. This was probably the worst one of my life, and we'll go from there. Now I'm gonna tell you about this Ipsy. When I got my pics, it was just awful. And I've had Ipsy for quite some time. You know, I don't get too many doubles. It's not bad, but yeah, this was not this. So what I want to show you real quick, if it's cool, is a Ciate eyeshadow I picked up in the add-on store last month, or when they have the second chance at add-ons because you're a dope and you missed them the first time. This is called I Am Woman. What is your superpower? And I've got to tell you, I have found my favorite neutral palette for if you're cool toned. I'm cool, silver blue. Look at these. Wow. They go on like butter. Like this is comparable to Huda. The pigment, the blend, the application, everything about it is just right. Now, all the colors that I showed you, this stupid mirror, I'm gonna blind everybody. We're blind. The colors, they're all named after very famous women. We have everything from Marie Curie to Harriet Tubman to Boudica. So they're all in here. I thought that was a little cheesy, but hey, I like the name of a color to reflect or have something to do with that color. Maybe I'm just getting a little old, but you know, when you, like Fenty is another brand, like she names things Dala and Hustla, and that's cool. Those are very cool names, but they don't give me a clue about the shade, the shadow, the anything, and I tend to prefer that. So I don't think we need anything sharp today. This is just the standard one, so let's see if we can, is that stronger? Oh, and oh, you want to peek first? Let's see, peek first. Ooh, looks like it's in the bag, and it's not in the, okay, there's two items in here. One is the bag. It's called Halloween. Like a Halloween. So it looks like they got almost everything in the bag, because this arrived, it was like half opened. It was not good. It just wasn't good. And unfortunately, this was next to the bag. This is something I did not pick. This was picked for me. So maybe we should start with it. But yes, it did. As you know, I pay for my Ipsy. No comp, no, I pay for one, I don't pay for the other. I just straight up pay for it. So I bring you probably what the average Joe might get, the average Jane. So this is the Lifestyle Company. It is a botanical oil cleanser. It breaks down makeup buildup with this vitamin-rich oil cleanser, rosehip oil. Which you know I love rosehip oil. You just can't go wrong with it. Bergamot. Now the scent of bergamot, it's an Italian citrus, is very, very nice. I don't know how it works as an essential, but it's in here. We also have jojoba and grapeseed oil. This is 4 ounces at full size, and this will run you $49. So I hope it works. Now, as far as the oil goes, I am a double cleanser. I do the oil cleanse and then I wash my face. So maybe this will be a one step with the oil. I don't know, but I'm going to tell you something. This box, this is some shitty condition. Like, this is ripped. And yeah, so, you know, what can you say? Ipsy. It's Ipsy. You know, I'm actually going to see if I can find something in here. without looking, because, oh, I usually have the card, right? Oh, got the card. Woo! Halloween! Coming this November. Next month is the Glam X, so that's going to be huge. We have more crap completely unrelated to what we're doing, so there's your card. Now, should we try again? Are we feeling lucky? See? Okay. See that? That's the pouch. This is Iconic by London. This is the Essential Eye Brush Kit. Everyday use, ultra soft, vegan bristles. These are all separately wrapped. These are 4 brushes, 4 count. This will run you $40. Let's just have a peek, because you know I have the super small eyes and just like to, so we definitely have too big. We have not bad. We have around and not bad. So those 4 brushes, got those this month. Yay, I am a brush girl. I did pick those. I have to tell you that when I did the picks, they suck. They just they suck this month. It's Ipsy, and you know, sometimes, but see I have my next item, and you're not gonna believe this. It's more brushes. I had to pick because again, it just goofy stuff. Now this is method of the day, MOTD. One is an angled contour brush, and the other is for loose powder and blush. These are double-ended brushes, which I'm not really big on. I have my brushes in, I don't know how you keep yours, but mine usually go in a stand. So when I get the double-edged brushes, it's kind of tough because I generally prefer one side over the other, or one side's upside down in the container, you know what I mean? But, oh, these are soft. Very nice. And I assume maybe contour and blush and loose powder. These are 2 brushes, and they will run you $24 USD. So that's, and I did pick these again. See, like, we're already on our 3rd item. It just, and it was 5 items exactly this month. So like, not only did they suck, it wasn't that many, but when things aren't going great, maybe that's not too bad. Let's see what we have. Okay, Fenty Beauty. Speak of the devil. This is her liquid lipstick. It dries into a soft matte finish in the shade Uncuffed. And it says Uncuffed is a rosy nude. There you go. That's actually very pretty. That could work for me. I am a fan of Fenty Beauty. Very good stuff. I haven't been really disappointed by any of her items yet. Let's, oh, looks a little gunky. Yeah, let's see. Okay, not really a shade I would choose, but we will see what happens there. And I have 1 item left, so you know what? I know what it is. I do. It's by Kat Von D, KVD Beauty, and it is a vegan eyeliner in Vendetta, or Veranda, because I can't read my writing, green. Now, this is a highly pigmented, ultra smooth, transfer resistant, waterproof eyeliner. It's a gel eyeliner, which I kind of prefer, and it twists, so you don't have to sharpen it. And I don't think we can really see the shade. Ooh, very pretty. Right there. So that is the green, and that is my Ipsy for what is October 2022. That was everything. I kind of feel like we should kind of go over it again. Oh, and I chose that, excuse me, I'm so sorry. It is 0.5 grams of product, and it will run you $22 USD. I don't think I could pay $22 for an eyeliner. I don't know, maybe it would have to apply itself or not screw up, you know, one of those deals, because wow, that's a little expensive, that's pricey. You know, all of this stuff is pricey. I guess that's probably why I get it, but you know, I do enjoy it. It's just, these aren't items that I would probably go, I'm not gonna dump $50 on an oil cleanser when I use, you know what I mean? It just, yeah, so Ipsy, this month, October 2022. That was everything. I thank you for stopping by, and I've lost my, because you know what I decided? I just threw everything everywhere today, because I do that, and I'm off kilter, and I apologize for that. I hope to be back soon with an update regarding how sick I was, what happened, what we did, what we didn't, and I guess we can go from there. I hope you're doing great. Are you? Mediocre? Bad? You could tell me if you want to talk about it down there. You know I'm about it. And that's it. So I am just babbling now. I will let you go. It was great to see you. Again, I thank you for stopping in, and just let me get my button ready, because we're going to say the bye. We're going to smile, and then we're going to click, right? Okay. It was good to see you. Take care, okay? Bye.